The Pelicori 4,874,960,100 filter replacement is a real lifesaver for our Blomberg Beko refrigerator. Truly, it's like a fresh breath for your fridge. This 2-pack ensures you always have a spare, which is super convenient. Furthermore, installing these filters is a breeze. Seriously, it's so easy. Even my younger sibling could do it. Therefore, if your ice and water taste a bit off, these filters are the perfect solution. They effectively remove impurities. What's more, the water flows smoothly again. We noticed a huge difference almost immediately. Indeed, the Blomberg Beko 4,874,960,100 filter 2-pack offers excellent value. Moreover, the white color blends seamlessly. It doesn't stand out negatively. Consequently, your fridge will not only perform better but also look good. Primarily, the taste of our water and ice improved dramatically. Before, they had an odd aftertaste. Now, it's crisp and clean, like spring water. Additionally, the filter keeps the internal system running smoothly. It's truly a small investment for a big impact. Finally, we highly recommend the Pelicori 4,874,960,100 filter replacement. Ultimately, it's an essential item for any Blomberg Beko owner. The Blomberg Beko 4,874,960,100 filter 2-pack truly delivers on its promise. Besides, having 2 filters means less worry. You won't run out unexpectedly. This peace of mind is invaluable. Therefore, upgrading your filtration system is simple. It brings a new level of freshness. In conclusion, it's a wise purchase for healthier water. Pros: great choice for Blomberg fridge. Perfect replacement, easy to install, fits perfect, shipped quickly, good price, no leakage. Water quality maintained, long service time, water smells fresher, morning coffee tastes better, removes yuck from water, handles hard water well, no aftertaste or chlorine smell, crisp, odor-free water, cost-effective solution, consistent flow rate, easy switch, simple upgrade. Provides clean, crisp water. Cons: no mentioned, all reviews are 5-star, no negative feedback provided, customer satisfaction is high. Features: brand, Pelicori, model number, 4,874,960,100 product type. Filter replacement, compatible with Blomberg, compatible with Beko, original filter number, 4,874,960,100 color. White, quantity, 2-pack, easy to replace, ensures proper filtration. This is a 2-pack of white Pelicori brand filter replacements. They are designed to replace the Blomberg Beko 4,874,960,100 filter. These filters are easy to put in and help make sure your appliance filters correctly. This 2-pack of Pelicori filters is a great choice for your Blomberg or Beko fridge. Customers love that it's a perfect and easy to install replacement, fitting well with no leaks. It ships quickly, is a good price, and lasts a long time. The filter keeps water quality high, making water smell fresher, taste better, even coffee, and removing bad tastes like chlorine. It works well with hard water and provides clean, crisp, odor-free water. This filter is a simple, cost-effective upgrade that maintains a consistent water flow. All reviews are 5-star, showing very happy customers.